There it is. It looks like a black camouflage now. Hey, all this was just busted loose right in here. Mike's got that all smoothed out, looking just like the corner that really wasn't busted up. He got that thing looking good. It's smooth too.
About ready for paint.
It's getting close, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
All them little old spider cracks there.
That primer will fill it in.
They fill it in,
Fill
okay.
it in.
Well, that's what he got going. He got it together. Smooth operator. What you got to say?
About another 2 weeks.
About another 2 weeks? Well, we don't get no hurry anyway to start with. But it's looking good. It's what I like to see. It's getting closer. I can go down the road for long. Reckon how long it take to put that thing back on?
I'll get it up there and get them bolts in it. Get it lined up.
Yeah.
Probably won't take half a day.
Half a day. Maybe. All right, we'll talk to y'all later. World famous Mike Gillum.
I'm glad I made this journey with you.
If you like my Papa's channel, Road Maps and Chaos, make sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
We pray we'll see you in the rapture.